Hey besties! I'm sure by now you've all seen the newest trend and personally one of my favorites, milk bath nails. Today, for Quick Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous look with just one color. This look was done by our talented Glam and Glits ambassador at Steph's Nails. If you aren't already following her on Instagram, make sure you head over and let her know we sent you. I can't wait to show you guys how she achieved this gorgeous look, so let's get started. Steph has already sculpted the nail using clear acrylic from the Glam and Glits Back to Basics collection. She starts building the structure by applying a thin layer of white wine to the entire nail. It's important to keep this layer thin since this will be an encapsulation look and we don't want it to get too bulky. She has her dried flowers ready to go since we need to place them on the nail while the acrylic is still tacky. If the acrylic dries too quickly, they won't stick to the surface. Time to place our beautiful flowers. Steph begins by placing the bigger flowers first and filling in the empty spaces with smaller pieces. This is going to create a more realistic milk bath effect and give you a better design overall. You want to make sure the flowers adhere to the acrylic, so pat them down gently. You don't want to apply too much pressure because the acrylic could still move. She's now going back in by grabbing a small bead of white wine and applying a very thin layer. The goal here is to make it look like the flowers are floating under a thin layer of milk. You'll know you have used too much product if the flowers start to get covered. If you feel like you've reached that point, just work the excess product to the free edge and remove it. Steph is going to encapsulate the entire nail with a layer of clear so the design is protected when she files. Once dry, she files, shapes, and buffs the nail. Then she applies Kiara Sky's non-wipe gel top coat and cures. She finishes off with some Nourish oil from Kiara Sky and she's done. What do you guys think? So easy and simple, right? If there's a design you want to learn to recreate, let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't and hit that bell to be notified the next time we post a quick tip just like this one. See you in the next video, besties. Bye!